Hey, what's up guys? Alan here with eatsleeptrade.net. Gonna be bringing you guys the part 2 video on our how to obtain Bitcoin and how to get that Bitcoin onto an exchange and purchase some altcoins or other cryptocurrencies, which are currently just going insane right now on the cryptocurrency markets, and it's a pretty crazy time. I think everybody should get involved with and at least put a little bit of Bitcoin or money in here and just see what happens, and I think you'll be convinced. So let's take a look at Binance. That's going to be the exchange we want to get our Bitcoin uploaded to. If you guys aren't sure how to get your dollar or currency into Bitcoin, please check out the video I'm going to put down in the link below in the description, and that is going to show you guys a couple ways to get your currency changed into Bitcoin, so you'll be ready for this video to get it uploaded into the Binance exchange. So the first thing you're going to do is you need to create an account. So you're going to do that. It's very, very simple. You just need to register your email, and that is pretty much it. And once you register your account, you want to go to funds and go to the deposit and withdrawals tab. From the deposit and withdrawals tab, you're going to look for whatever type of cryptocurrency you're going to be sending into Binance. So if you've got Uphold, then you're going to have either Bitcoin, or you're going to have Ethereum, or maybe even the basic attention token. So if you have, for example, the basic attention token or any other one like Ethereum, then you would just go ahead and search for it, Ethereum, and you would go to the deposit, go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you a Ethereum deposit address. Now these addresses are very important. You can only send Ethereum into your Ethereum address, and you can only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. You cannot cross send different cryptocurrencies, and it does give you a little warning right here. Important, send only Ethereum to this deposit address. Sending any other currency to this address may result in a loss of your deposit. So it's pretty important, right? So make sure if you got Ethereum, you're sending it to an Ethereum address. So you would copy this address, go over to Uphold, and go to your Bitcoin, or I guess Ethereum, and you would hit withdraw or send, and you would it'll ask you where do you want to send it to, and you'll put this address right here into there, put the amount that you want to send, click send, and it'll show up right here in your Binance funds. So you go back to deposit withdraw, it'll give you the full list, and for every cryptocurrency you own, it will tell you that balance all the way down this list. So once you have your funds uploaded into Binance, then you are basically ready to trade on the Binance exchange. You'll come right up here to exchange and just click basic. Once it's loaded up, you'll be able to come over to these tabs right here and see all the different cryptocurrencies that you can buy, trade, exchange. So you can use Ethereum or Bitcoin, or the BNB you can use to buy and sell as well. So if you have Bitcoin, then you'll just go ahead and trade it on the Bitcoin tab. If you enable using BNB for fees, then you'll get a discount, and you only have to trade at less than 0.5% per commission trade. So the commissions are almost next to nothing. So for the smaller accounts, it's great because it's percentage based, so it's all based on how much you're trading. So if you're trading less, then your commissions cost less, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, you got all your list of your cryptocurrencies here. I like to put those in order of change, and I like to trade the ones that are the strongest on the day. I'm not trying to trade the cryptocurrency that's down 25% on the day. I'd much rather be trading something that's 20, 30, 40, 50% up. And I also like to look at ones with high volume, so you can put them in volume order. That's going to give you the liquidity that you need so you can get in and out of trades easily. That can be important if the market has no volume at all. You don't want that to happen. It has a large spread. Over here, you're going to see for whatever cryptocurrency you're looking at, you're going to see the ask up here on the top, and the bid will be down below. So that's going to show you what the spread is, and the spreads are generally pretty large. So you can see right here we're at 827 by 958, 957. So pretty big spread. It's tightening up a little bit there. But yeah, you want to be careful. Make sure you're using limit orders, not market orders, guys. I mean, if you have to use a market order, go ahead and use it. But the reality is you should really be using a limit order because you're going to get taken advantage on those market orders because of those large spreads. So make sure, limit orders, man. Every time you use a market order, you are literally just giving your money away. So keep that in mind. Limit orders. And use a stop limit if you're really nervous or afraid or very limited on your risk. Use a stop limit to protect yourself if you need it. Right here is going to be your time in sales on the trade history. That's going to let you know if it was a purchase on the bid or the ask, and the size in which that purchase was, and the time, of course. If you have an open order, so if you were to put limit, you want to buy 100, or you hit 25%, 50%, that's the position size you want. It'll tell you how many, and then you hit buy. Your order will pop up. Oops. But your order will pop up right down here, and then when that order gets filled, it'll go down to your trade history window right here. So if you're looking for an old trade that happened earlier in the day, you can just come right here, look it up, and you should be able to find it right there. So pretty useful setup and exchange that Binance has. Pretty much has all the tools you really need. So I recommend you guys just do some research on some cryptocurrencies. I've only got a couple that I'm really holding like long term, and the rest I'm really just flipping and kind of trading and having fun with all the volume and volatility that is in these crypto exchanges right now. All right, guys, and that is going to wrap it up for part 2 of our how to trade cryptocurrencies. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do me a favor, hit that like button down below. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know what kind of altcoins you guys are trading. What are some of your favorites? I'm pretty interested to get some of your guys' opinion. Let me know if they're just ones you're trading or if they're ones that you are hodling and you're going to keep forever. I'm definitely interested, so let me know down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe because we are going to have some more videos coming up on cryptocurrencies. And that is going to do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.